3, 2, 1.
Which fashion item was popular during the Renaissance period? The answer is C. Puffy sleeves. Which equation represents a straight line on a Cartesian plane? The answer is D. yx2 plus z equals 0. What is the term for longer chains of monosaccharides? The answer is A. Polysaccharides. The term ethology, which refers to the study of animal behavior, derives from a Greek word, which means what? The answer is C. Custom. During what dance do Niles and Daphne create a stir among Seattle's elite in the Frasier sitcom series? The answer is D. The tango. Where is Mount Ararat, believed by some to be Noah's Ark landing site? The answer is A. Turkey. Which river in China caused a flood of mammoth proportions in 1931? The answer is C. Yellow. What is the study of the structure and properties of matter called? The answer is B. Chemistry. What is the product of 3/4 and 2/3? The answer is A. 5/12. Which country has the longest railway network in the world? The answer is D. China. What is the name given to the force that pulls objects towards each other? The answer is B. Gravity. What is the name of Will Smith's high school in Philadelphia after which his production company is named? The answer is B. Overbrook. The use of mercury-based dental amalgam has gone under question in recent years because of concerns regarding what? The answer is C. The toxicity. Which programming language uses Hello World as a standard test program? The answer is C. Java. What type of behavior is frogs croaking or deer clashing antlers an example of? The answer is D. Courtship. What is a tool used for cutting and folding paper?
The answer is B. Scissors.
Frida always hangs her wet swimsuit outdoors after getting out of the swimming pool. Which of the following is least likely to affect the rate at which Frida's swimsuit dries? The answer is C. The temperature of the water in the pool. Who is the Celtic god of the underworld and death? The answer is A. Cernunnos. The New King James Version and KJV is a modern translation of which religious text? The answer is C. Bible. In the television show The Honeymooners, who were Ed and Trixie, the neighbors of Ralph and Alice? The answer is C, the Nortons. What is Poseidon, the Greek god chiefly associated with? The answer is D, Harvest. What is a student's primary writing tool? The answer is B, pencil. Which psychologist is known for his work on operant conditioning? The answer is B, B.F. Skinner. Which animal lays eggs but has fur instead of scales? The answer is A, platypus. Which word refers to the fear of long words? The answer is D, hippopotamonstrosquipedaliophobia. Where do good bacteria grow to help keep people healthy? The answer is C, on the skin. How many polar bear subspecies are there? The answer is C, 0. What is the main purpose in the game Among Us? The answer is C, to deceive teammates. What is Sinology, the study of? The answer is C, dogs. Which celestial body orbits around a star called the Sun? The answer is D, star. What is Usain Bolt's specialty event? The answer is C, 100m sprint. Which of Alexander the Great's generals became ruler of Egypt after Alexander's death and took the title of Pharaoh? The answer is D, Ptolemy. Plate movement can form different features on Earth. The movement of tectonic plates can be both a constructive and a destructive force. At which type of plate boundary is new crust formed? The answer is D, divergent. What year did the movie The Shawshank Redemption hit the movie theaters? The answer is B, 1994. Which of these is a nickname of West Virginia? The answer is D, Mountain State. Mascarpone is a vegetarian Italian cheese, traditionally included in the recipe for what layer dessert? The answer is B, tiramisu. What unit measures power consumption in electronics? The answer is A, watt. What is the name of the gas released when an electrolyte is passed through water? The answer is B, hydrogen. This Lithuanian-American baseball player son of immigrant parents, was born and raised in upstate New York. Who is he? The answer is A. Johnny Potters. Light has the inability to shine through what? The answer is A. Solid wood. What is Ebonics associated with? The answer is D. An African American vernacular English. Which structure do a rabbit cell and a bacillus cell have in common? The answer is D. D then A. Animals that have feeding patterns that are somewhere between that of herbivores and carnivores can be called what? The answer is A. Omnivores. Which Marvel superhero first appeared in Captain America, the First Avenger? The answer is D. Thor. Who is known as the Iron Man for his consecutive marathon runs? The answer is A. Usain Bolt. What type of mammal gives birth to young that need to develop further in the mother's pouch after birth? The answer is B. Marsupials. Alkynes are what type of compound? The answer is C. Unsaturated hydrocarbons. Who holds the record for longest hair on a living person? Female. The answer is A. Xi Jinping. What is a type of pencil sharpener? The answer is A. Manual sharpener. Green cyanobacteria on a lake produce food through what process?